Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to solve a Rubik's Cube the proper way. So first, get up from wherever you're from and take a look outside the window. After taking a look outside the window, walk downstairs. Then grab a pencil box with a paper and walk back upstairs. Now, unzip the pencil box and grab a pen. Then draw something funny on the piece of paper. After finish drawing, go outside and grab a water bottle. Open the water bottle cap and then start crushing the paper into small paper ball and put them into the water bottle. Then close the bottle back. After closing your water bottle, open your drawer and grab yourself a cube. Then solve it. And that is how you solve a Rubik's Cube the proper way. Thanks for watching.